Microsoft Sentinel, revolutionizing cloud SIEM. Microsoft Sentinel is a cloud-native SIEM. It is part of Microsoft Azure. It aims to give organizations security monitoring and threat detection in their cloud. It provides incident response and security analysis, too. Why is Microsoft Sentinel revolutionizing cloud SIEM? Microsoft Sentinel shines in the crowded cybersecurity market. Its advanced features and smooth integration with other Microsoft security tools set it apart. It provides a single platform for security operations, log management, and monitoring. It lets organizations analyze alerts, investigate incidents, and respond to threats in real time. Microsoft Sentinel helps security teams. It gives them insights and intelligence. They can hunt for threats and adapt their security strategy to reduce risks. Key features of Microsoft Sentinel. Cloud-native architecture. Microsoft Sentinel uses cloud tech. It allows for easy deployment, management, and scaling in the cloud. Threat intelligence integration. Microsoft Sentinel connects to external threat intel feeds. It gives organizations current info on new threats and vulnerabilities. Automated security analysis. Microsoft Sentinel uses machine learning and automation. It can analyze security data in real time to quickly detect and respond to incidents. Security orchestration. Microsoft Sentinel enables security operations teams to automate response actions and streamline incident handling processes. Advanced security analytics. Microsoft Sentinel uses advanced analytics to find patterns in security data. It detects threats by spotting anomalies and trends. Conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Sentinel is changing how organizations tackle cloud security. It offers advanced tools for threat detection, incident response, and security analysis.